Here's a certified 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. It has room for what you need to bring, what you want to bring, and the unforgettable moments you will create. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, continuously variable automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. The Car Connection believes behind the wheel, drivers will likely forget they're driving a 7-seat crossover utility vehicle. Nissan, built for the human race. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Arizona Car Sales, you won't find a better vehicle for a better price. Conveniently located at 1648 East Main Street in Mesa, Arizona.